Guys, what's up? Now today we are going to learn about text tool in the sketch environment. For text tool you need to go to here. You can see a text, you can click here. Now the text sketch text dialog box will appear. What text you need you can type. For example, I am writing Solidworks. You can see the text, you can see here. Also you can change the orientation, size. For example, you can make it as a bold or italic. To do so, go to text. Now type another text like this. Now you can make it as, you can drag this italic. You can see that is italic, and you can make it as a oriented rotate also. Click on OK. Now SolidWorks allows us to draw or to write a text on a spline or a curve also. So to do so, make one spline. We already know how to make a spline. This is our spline. Now go to spline text and select this. In the curve option, select this. Now you can see this, and you can make it, you can select it and make it as a bold, italic, or you can rotate it like this. You can make it as a flip horizontal and flip vertical like this. Hope you understood this text command. Now we are left with one command, that is point. The point is used to identify or used to make a notation like this. We have made our 2 point. Now you can specify the dimensions between these 2 point also. This and this is 50, and from this to this is okay, and this is also point. So you can specify dimension between these also. Dimension is, go to per dimension, click this point and specify this as 25 this side vertically, and inclined this is also 25, make it as 25. It will be like this. If you make 26.5, it will be like this. Now I hope you understood these things, all the command from this sketch command manager. We will be going to features command manager in the next video. Hope you are liking this video. If you like this, please like this and please subscribe. Thank you.